Need to remove the Payjoy app from your iPhone. The process is usually simple, but it depends on your specific situation. For most users, removing Payjoy is just like deleting any other app. Simply press and hold the Payjoy app icon on your home screen until a menu appears. Then tap Remove App and confirm by selecting Delete App. This will uninstall it from your device. However, if Payjoy is a device management profile on your phone often used for phone financing plans, the process is different. In this case, you need to go to your iPhone's settings, then navigate to General and find VPN and Device Management. Select the Payjoy device profile and tap Remove Management. A crucial final note: if your phone is still under a financing agreement with Payjoy, removing the app or profile might lock your device. It's always best to ensure your payment plan is fully complete before you remove anything. Once you've followed the correct steps for your situation, the Payjoy app or profile will be successfully removed from your iPhone.